What's up, guys? For today's video, I am going to be baking some really fun Halloween treats. And I'm really excited to show you guys what I'm going to be baking. I'm making two different things because it's Halloween. So today, we're going to be cooking with Haley. And it's going to be a lot of fun. So I'm going to be showing you guys what I'm making, and it's just going to be a lot of fun because it's Halloween. It's October 1st. I don't know when this video is going to go up, but it's October 1st. And I thought, what better way to bring in October 1st than making some spooky treats? Anyway, let's get started. First things first, I'm going to be making some cupcakes. We've got yellow cake, and I also got the whipped buttercream because my plan is I want to make them black, like spooky. I'm gonna insert the pictures that I want to eat, like insert the pictures of what I'm gonna be making so you guys can see what I'm gonna be making. But yeah, other than that, let's just go ahead and get started. I'm gonna do cookies and cupcakes, so I'm gonna go ahead and start off with the cookies because that's gonna take less time than the cupcakes. So let's go. Oh my god, my ass. I'm so excited. I don't want to get copyrighted. I'm gonna go for $3.50. Oops. I'm gonna try and turn these cookies black for what I'm going for. See how it goes though. Good. Okay. I think red, green, and blue makes black, if I'm correct. This is either going to be a fail or it's going to be very cute. So let's see. I need to push in like all of these cookies together. I need to mash it. So mash it. Pass it. And yeah, I already washed my hands. I always feel like somebody's watching me. Okay, I think that should be good. You know, this is gonna be the fun part, is trying to mix food coloring in with this. Okay, let's try this. I'm really scared. I really want these to turn out good. All right. Ooh, it's in my mouth. Is it supposed to? It's okay, we're having fun. So let's just, I don't think this is gonna work. This is what it's looking like so far. Like poop. Should I put a little bit more in here? Yeah? All right, we're gonna do it. Okay, we're good. All right, let's start putting these bad boys on the cookie pan. Now the fun part is putting them on the thingy. They actually I'm gonna add these cute little Reese pieces because they were supposed to be black and then these were supposed to be like, I don't know. But it's okay, we're still gonna add them on there, just a few. I only wanna add the orange ones though. Here are the cookies. They literally look like little zombie cookies because they have like kind of green and brown in them, but they're actually kind of cute and kind of spooky, y'all. I can't wait to see what these look like after they get baked. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's go ahead and get started baking this cake. Yeah. Woo! Let's start. If you guys were thinking I'm gonna eat all of this, you're right. Ha ha ha. I feel like this will be easier to make into a black cake because it's gonna be like liquidy. 1 cup of water. This made me nervous. 2. 3. But here goes nothing. I always do that. I always mess it up. Make sure you get in there all deep black. Where's the KitchenAid when you need one? You need a whisk. Use it like a freaking spatula. College student. Let me try it. A little more stirring. It's turning green again. Ah! Oops. This looks gross. It literally looks like vomit. But I mean, that's Halloween for you. Nasty. I don't have a pot to cook these cupcakes in. I thought I did, but I don't. So we're just gonna put them in this little heart thing. You know, we're working with what we have at this moment. Oh, these things are huge. Actually didn't turn out so bad. Here we have the zombie looking cupcakes. You know, not the cutest form, but it'll work. It's gonna work. So while there's a baking, we're gonna make the black icy now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna microwave it for like 10 seconds so it's a little moist. Whoa, don't tell me this is gonna turn black, I swear. This is the color we got out of the buttercream frosting. You guys can see my mess over here. Yeah. So now that everything is done, I'm just gonna wait for these cupcakes to cook and then I will see y'all in a bit. Every night in my dreams, I don't see you.